How was your nap?
Good.
Did you have a good nap?
How was your nap?
Oops. Liz, I like your necklace.
I like your little cheeks. You're so fat. His eyes, now they're like this. Like, what is he doing?
It's the last one that I saw here at Target. It's $3 and there are 16 pages in here. These are blank books, which is awesome for the kids to create their own story. So I'm going to use this as a project for them to do at home. This is the last one they had.
It says right here, mini slime.
So I got this for Mili, but I'm gonna photocopy this for Papa so he can have his own copy. I'm gonna grab this for Drake. They feel like they're all smashed, but we'll see. Oh. Are you a dinosaur or a dragon, Drake? Are you a dinosaur or a dragon?
Mommy,
Baby's French fry. A moonwalking French fry. Okay, Blaze, you ready to go? Blaze doesn't think this is fun at all. Okay, guys, let's go.
No. A break.
Oh, this is you. You should be a sprinkled donut. Drake just threw this in, so we're gonna take this interesting costume. Okay, so I'm going in between this one and this one. So I think I'm gonna take this one. A quick little haul for you guys. We picked up some of these that were $1. Bananas, some little entrees for Blaze. I don't know if Millie got these cookies for herself or Blaze, but we'll see. I got 8 of these. They were 27 cents for the kids, different subjects for school. Then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use this for. Pick this up for Drake and Blaze. Some paper. And then this for Sydney's assignments, like homework. Okay. And then this. I think that's it. Oh, and then look at these shirts that I got. This one is for Drake. This is only $3. This one's like $1.80. And then this one, usually I don't care for white shirts, but because this one was only $1, I grabbed this one. And I didn't come for any clothes, but I mean, how could you pass up $3 and $1? Drake, stop.
I eat your mouth.
Thank you, Mommy. For dessert, Millie made strawberries, which she learned from cooking class last Thursday.
Yeah.
You know, all that's missing is the mint, right?
Yep.
And berries would have been nice. We don't have berries though, but berries and strawberries and bananas. Oh, and whipped cream. We're missing whipped cream.
Oh yeah.
This is the end of the vlog. We're gonna get ready for school tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. Happy Tuesday. Gonna drop the kids off to class. And gonna drop the kids off to class. Millie, did you see the record? Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye. Have a good day, Millie. Hey guys, I just finished meeting with my really good friend Crystal. I'm gonna meet up with her for lunch after I drop off the kids' drink. We packed lunch today for school. If you guys are wondering why you guys are down here, it's because I went to the gym the other day and I think it was like a police officer or something, like on his time off, was telling me that I need to remove my my mount from up here to down here or down here. So I'm gonna actually look for another mount. I guess he said, I'm sorry, before, because I'm like all over the place as usual. He was telling me that I guess it's illegal to have it like in your face, like right up here or right up here. So I'm going to have to look into getting a phone mount, a car mount that sticks to this plastic. But for now, I'm gonna put you guys right here. I hope that's not too much of a distraction. And I hope the wind is not like blowing into the microphone right here. But the kids, we packed lunch today, and I hope the kids enjoy it. I mean, they enjoyed, it's just leftover dinner. So I'm gonna turn right here. The only thing I forgot to pack in their lunch are drinks. So I picked up some drinks. I'm gonna drop it off, and then I'm gonna hang out there for a little while. He's walking. We're here to bother Millie and Papa for lunch. No, Blazy. Yeah. So Blaze is feeling a little under the weather. I see Sydney made a friend. There goes Millie. This is what Millie and Sydney, sorry, it's kind of dark, but this is what Millie and Sydney are having for lunch.
Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Look at the dog.
Okay, hold on, let me. Okay. Where's Blaze? There goes Blaze. School is almost over, you guys. I had such an awesome time meeting up with my dear friend Crystal. She left, and Tuesdays we've decided that we're probably gonna like meet and catch up and make it like a Mommy Tuesday type day. And so I'm looking forward to that. Millie and Papa are wrapping it up with science and PE. Drakey, block it. Block the... Look at him. Drakey already knows. Thank you, Drakey. Don't let Blaze in the kitchen, okay? Yeah. He just wants... Yeah, but that's... Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not safe in there. Just don't let him in there. Thanks, Drakey. Thanks, Drakey. Look at this one. Hi, Blaze. Here comes my chickens from a long day of homeschool. How's school?
I felt like it was longer today.
I know, it seemed longer today for some reason.
Check mine out.
Look, I made my first slime.
Look at this. You. Hey guys, look at mine. You just want attention. You don't want my love. Stop singing.
Okay, we're singing now. Okay guys, here's my final slime. I cannot believe I'm actually grabbing this and touching this. This is awesome. Look at this. Mine's like very slimy, how I like it when I was little and I remember slime. Millie and Papa's slime makes like this weird popping noise.
I like mine sticky like that, like when I grab it.
But mine doesn't do that. Mine is like seriously like slime. Like
no, yours does do
like this, like slime. The kids are trying to touch my slime, but just the whole
say
like hands and germs and hands and germs.
Wow, where are your children?
But this is pretty cool. I am so excited. Millie's gonna have a slime like the perfect. Millie's gonna have like the perfect slime DIY on her channel, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Like I came home and went to sleep with Blaze and Drake because they're not feeling good. They have like this runny nose.
Hi guys, how are you?
They have like this runny nose, cough, sneeze thing going on, and so I don't know. I came home and I took a nap with them and woke up. Okay, maybe a little more than 30 minutes ago. I took a shower, got into my... I'm like ready for bed, you guys, because I know already... Oh, bless you, Blaze. I know already tonight is going to be a long night for me. I'm going to try and get them down to go to sleep in a little bit, even though I know they just woke up, but... Well, not down to sleep. I'm going to just get them... I'm gonna get them situated because I'm gonna pull out the humidifier. I need to grab some baby rub, and I'm gonna have to put that's Drake, poor Drake, And then Drake doesn't want to wipe his nose with anything but Blaze's shirt, his pajama shirt. So he's holding on to the pajama shirt. He won't take anything else to wipe his nose. It has to be Blaze's pajama shirt, which is hilarious, right? So, that's all I'm doing. I need to grab some Pedialyte and get ready for this long night that I have. So I hope you guys had a good day today, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!